Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting prerequisites out of the way. Make sure VS Code is updated and running a stable build so extensions behave predictably. Once done, open the extensions view with Ctrl+Shift+X and type Material Icon Theme. Install the official package. After installation, either click Enable or Restart VS Code to activate the theme. This first action sequencing avoids conflicts later and makes sure the extension has permissions to modify icon rendering and workspace settings immediately. Now you configure the icon set so it matches your workflow and file types. Open the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P and choose Preferences, File Icon Theme, then pick Material Icon Theme from the list. Next, customize via Settings UI or directly edit settings. JSON to toggle folder icons, enable color highlights, and map custom file associations. Make sure to add any uncommon extensions so they display the proper icons. This detailed setup prevents ambiguous icons and speeds file recognition as you work. Finish by applying advanced tweaks and knowing how to fix issues quickly. You can set folder colors and exact file associations in settings. JSON using Material Icon Theme keys for fine-grained control. Once changes are saved, run Developer, reload window to force the UI to refresh. This resolves most update issues. If icons still misbehave, make sure to disable other icon or theme extensions that conflict, then reload again. That single troubleshooting step, disabling duplicates, usually restores correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.